Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. Guys, I'm a little bit emotional because remember when we were young, we would be looking at, when you go to the store on that hair box relaxer, we would be looking at women looking like this, okay, with their nice beautiful hair. And the fact that I don't have like a lot of hair, I've got thin hair, so my hair is not this thick. And the fact that Love Me Hair said, baby girl, we've got you, like, this made me so emotional. When I was when I unboxed this wig, I was like, oh my goodness, this is reminding me of when I was young and I absolutely wanted to look like this. And look at me, I'm the girl I think I am, okay? Like, as girls with not a lot of hair, we can look like this, okay? Every single day we can actually look like this, like the layers. Guys, I was so obsessed with women whose hair was like this, nicely cut layers. I was really obsessed, and today it is me. I'm obsessed with myself because Love Me Hair got us covered, okay? Like, they cut, guys, I did not use anything to achieve this look. The only thing that I did was just to cut the lace, and this is how the wig is looking. Absolutely gorgeous. I am obsessed. I don't want to start crying because, guys, I love a good wig, okay? And Love Me Hair is doing what they're supposed to be doing. So if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous layered wig, look at this wig, guys. Look at it. When I move, it moves, okay? Okay? I'm the girl I think I am. I am beautiful. I am neat. I'm a beautiful black girl, period. And Love Me Hair did that, okay? So if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig, guys, do check the description box down below. I also have a discount code for you guys. So go get yourself this wig. Let's get straight into today's video.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, you touch, you kiss.
So guys, I'm going to show you all the goodies from Love Me Hair Company. This is their box with a nice bow. Let me show you guys what is inside. They were kind enough to send me this hair bonnet, an edge brush and an edge comb combo, wig cap, a Love Me Hair storage bag, and a Love Me Hair scarf to lay your wig if your wig is not glueless. Now let me show you guys my favorite part of the video, the hair. The hair is giving, okay? Okay, let me just unbox it so that you can see. So this is how it is packaged, okay? There's a net. As you can see, they actually styled this wig. You see, they styled it nicely so. So I'm going to take out the net. The shine is crazy. This wig is pre-styled, okay? Look at this. This is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. Let me take out everything that is inside and let me show it to you guys. So this is how it looks. It is a C-part wig. As y'all can see, it is bleached. They bleached the knots. The wig has two combs on the side and one comb here at the back. It has an adjustable belt, which is very comfortable, and it also has two adjustable belts as well. So this is a layered cut wig. You know the trend that is going on right now where you actually cut your hair. Now Love Me Hair Company cut it for you, so you don't have to cut your wig in layers. They've done it for you, okay? And let me show you guys the layers. You see, here are the layers. They've already done the job for you. So all you need to do is just cut the lace and wear. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think y'all can see the layers of the wig. Absolutely stunning. This is a job well done. I love the fact that the wig is nice and soft. Look. Look at the quality, okay? This is stunning. I love it. It is nice and shiny as well. So we are going to cut the lace, and look at that, guys. Pre-bleached, okay? I love also the elongated C-part situation that is going on here. It looks absolutely natural. So as usual, guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. I'm not gonna be using any glue. Of course, this is a glueless wig, so if you are a beginner, get yourself this wig. Yo, look at that, guys. Look at the potting. Absolutely natural. Absolutely natural. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is sophistication. This is chic. If you are an office girl, you can rock this wig. You can look this gorgeous every single day without having to do much. I'm telling you. Look at this, guys. Straight out of the box. Love me here. You are doing the things, girl. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Yo. Guys, this is stunning. This is beautiful. I am so impressed because I don't have to use anything. I don't have to plug in my wig equipment to zhuzh up this wig, okay? The only thing that I did was just literally look at guys, the layers. Are you seeing the layers? Look at this. Guys, the layers are layering. Wow. Yo. Guys, straight out of the box, ne? Yo. This does not even look like a C part. Like, look at the lace, guys. It is HD. Oh my goodness. They styled the wig for me. Love Me Here said, Memes, you don't have to do much, okay? We've got you covered. All you need to do is just to cut the lace and you are good to go. This wig is actually literally stuck on my head. Y'all can see I can run marathon right now. I can go run, okay? Like, wow. Guys, look. Look at when I run my fingers through the wig. Wow. I am so happy. This is very chic. I love this wig so much. It is beautiful. I am so happy. 1000% happy. Please do check the description box down below if you are interested in purchasing this wig, which you have to be interested in purchasing this wig, okay? I've got a discount code for you guys. I also have direct links, period. Get yourself a Love Me Hair wig. Stress free. Nice.
I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes, guys. My childhood dream was to look like this, and I'm looking like this right now because Love Me Hair said, baby, I will style this wig for you. This wig came like this straight out of the box. You also, okay, you also, we did everything together. So I am so obsessed. I'm really obsessed, guys. Until next time, bye bye. Do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Love Me Hair Company. Mwah. Bye guys.